Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tools to help you manage your money smarter. Today, we're tackling how to use Monarch Money as a couple. If you're in a relationship and want to ditch the money arguments, this budgeting app is a total game changer. Monarch Money is an intuitive platform designed for tracking expenses, setting budgets, and collaborating in real time, perfect for partners working toward shared financial goals. First things first, let's get set up. Both you and your partner need to download the Monarch Money app from your app store and create individual accounts. It's quick and free to start. Once you're logged in, head to the Settings or Dashboard section and look for the Share Access or Invite Collaborator feature. This is where the magic happens. You can send an invitation link via email or text, and your partner can accept it to link your accounts. Next, sync your financial data. Monarch Money integrates with your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment apps. As a couple, decide which accounts to share, like your joint checking or savings, to get a full picture of your combined finances. This transparency helps avoid surprises and builds trust. Now, on to creating shared budgets. Use the app's budgeting tools to set up categories together, such as groceries, date nights, or emergency funds. You can assign limits and track progress side by side. Pro tip: schedule regular check-ins to review your spending and adjust as needed. It's all about open communication. One of the coolest features is the real-time notifications. If one of you makes a purchase, the other gets an alert, so you're always on the same page. And if conflicts arise, the app's discussion threads let you comment directly on transactions without awkward conversations. In conclusion, using Monarch Money as a couple can strengthen your relationship by making finances fun and collaborative. Give it a try today. Your future self and your partner will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips. What's your favorite budgeting hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.